because it's saying low battery.
Oh, right.
Is it doing it now?
Yeah, it'll take a second for it to load up on the screen. Here we go, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Hang on, bloody hell. That's a mess, isn't it? That's just got to be worse than a real arcade machine.
Right, look at the Y.
That is a huge, huge mess. What is that? Where are you now?
That's under the control panel.
Bloody hell.
That's what I've been wiring. That's why it's taking me.
How long did that take you?
That's taking me.
All weekend?
It's taking me. Hang on. Let me just put it down. That's taking me the last. Hang on.
Oh, the control panel goes up like that.
Yeah, it hinges up. So it's taken me like the last since Friday.
That is cool.
You got like this, like the trackball, and I can hang on. Here we go.
What's that?
Jukebox.
Oh, that's
So I can go. Make a try. Hang on.
people now. Like, they have everything. They have the PS3, the Xbox, and the Wii.
Okay, hang on. What did you say?